So this ugly beige thing is the Fragball, or at least it's the Fragball until I come up with a better name. And it's basically a hollow rubber sphere with a bunch of pockets, and the pockets invert when you squeeze the ball. This is handy because it just so happens that these little foam balls fit into the pockets. So, squeeze the ball, you rapidly eject the other ball. And of course, if you fill all of the pockets with balls and then you squeeze it, balls go pretty much everywhere. Conveniently for us, one easy way to squeeze the frag ball is just to throw it against a hard surface. All I have right now is this thrown impact grenade, but I think I can make the concept work for all sorts of things, like time bombs, mortars, remote bombs, landmines, automatic grenade launchers. Remember the Nerf nuke hoax? I could make that for real. I'm interested to find out more about what the wider Nerf blaster community thinks and is interested in with regards to toy explosives like these. And so I'll be doing a few polls on YouTube, maybe also on Reddit. It'll be just the R Nerf subreddit if they're on Reddit as well. Maybe also on Facebook, but I can't actually recommend anyone to go there. Anyways, I'd like to know more about how many pockets you feel are necessary for this thing to be viable, how small it needs to be viable. What kind of other toys are you interested in? Is this contact grenade good enough? Or do I really need to figure out how to make it go off on a timer or with a remote detonation? Do these devices have to be thrown to be fun? Because if I'm not throwing them, that gives me a whole lot of freedom to include rigid components and do more complex things. If you're interested in giving me some feedback and perhaps influencing what sort of frag balls and related tech I can come up with, don't be afraid to use the comment section. Like and subscribe the channel, and you'll probably be notified on YouTube when I start doing polls. And yeah, participate. Let me know how you feel.